Dumadating kasi sa point ng buhay natin na minsan, especially nung mga bata pa lang tayo, no, when we were young, feeling natin hindi tayo belong sa sarili nating pamilya. Kasi syempre, yung family natin may kanya-kanyang hugot, may kanya-kanyang problema, may kanya-kanyang struggles. So meron silang kanya-kanyang pinagdadaanan. So, a lot of people in our family are not paying attention to us. So feeling natin hindi tayo mahal and all those shit. Because again, they also have their own struggles in life. So of course, we will try to look for a community in high school, maghahanap tayo ng mga kaibigan. And syempre, feeling natin, hanggang dun lang tayo, yun lang yung deserve natin, wala nang tatanggap sa atin and all that. Ano mangyayari? We will try to please people. Minsan, pag nagkamali pa tayo ng pili, syempre, ang mapipili mo yung may bisyo. Alam mo yun, kahit ayaw mo namang magbisyo, pipilitin mo yung sarili mong magbisyo para lang mapabilong ka dun. And the more that you try to please people, you will lose a sense of who you are. Can you imagine, ang dami mong tropa, tapos magkakaiba sila ng bisyo, magkakaiba sila ng gusto, tapos lahat sila tinatry mong i-please. And the more na piniplease mo yung napakaraming tao, you will lose a sense of who you are. You will lose your identity. Dadating sa point, hindi mo nakilala sarili mo.